guys, and welcome back to my channel, and happy Friday for you guys. So hopefully everyone has a great weekend. So today I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy Glam bag. So hopefully you guys are excited to see what I received for this month. So if you guys haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and turn the notification bell so you guys don't miss none of my videos. Without further ado, let's go ahead and continue. Alright you guys, so as you guys can see, here I have my $12 a month bag, which is a Glam bag, and then here I have my $25 monthly bag that I've received every month as well. So in further ado, if you guys already know about this, let's go ahead and start getting them out. Alright you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with this $12 bag, and you guys, ever since I got it from last month, I really enjoy the products that I've received. So I can't wait to actually open this one and see what I've got. So here's the bag, and this is what the bag looks like. It gives me these fall vibes. As you guys notice, I also ended up putting a couple of fall leaves in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what's inside. So here is the ones that I have for the sample ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull these out. So it does say September 20 good vibes. It's pound Ipsy good vibes, and this month's radio positive from trying a bold new hairstyle to finding the perfect fall lip color. When you embrace the season of change with and I got this attitude, the result will be out of the sight. So basically when you go ahead and open this, it does show you the things that come inside with the description, which I'm glad that it's giving me these to read it out for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull one of the things from inside of the bag and see what comes up first. So here I have the Professional Hydrate Primer, and this is a hydrating face primer to minimize the looks of pores. This is what it looks like once you open it. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out so that way you guys can see it from up close. So this is the Benefit Cosmetic Pore Professional Hydrating Primer, and this is actually valued for $32 if you get the full size. All right, so I'm going in with the next thing from the bag, and here I have the Tarte Big Ego Mascara in black. Now I haven't tried these before, but this is the smaller mascara. All right, so this is what the one looks like from up close. This is a nice size of it for the mascara, so it does gonna give out a nice full coat of it. So that is the one of it. So if you guys want the extra volume, make sure that you guys hit on this and buy it, because it actually works wonderful. And I'm actually wearing it right now, you guys. And I'm not even wearing any falsies right now. So make sure that you guys stay up to the end if you guys would like to see it. Here I have the Verifi, I think that's what it's called. This is skincare, especially for your eyes if you want to prime your eyes. Now, if you want to get the retail full size of this, it's actually going to be $60. And you guys, for this small little thing, I mean, I don't know. I haven't tried this product before, but I'm looking forward to try it on and see how well it does. So basically what you do with this is going to boost up your collagen production and give you a nice hydration. The fourth product here, I have the Miley Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips, which is this one right here. And I'm actually also wearing it right now. And it's a Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lip in Nude. This creamy cream is about to be your new makeup MVP. Just swipe it on and go, and the warm pink tint goes in easy and builds up without any fuzz. And the moisturizing formula, it feels ultra soft and cushioned on lips, and being sticky and tacky, it's a win-win. So as you guys notice, I'm also wearing it as well, but I mean, it's really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it in here as well. So that's what the color looks like from up close, but when you have it on, it's totally different. But yeah, value of this, if you get it like in a full size, I don't know if this is actually a full size, but if you get it on full size, it's actually going to be $9. And then going in with the last product from this Glam bag, here I have the Item Beauty Brow Show in medium brown. I hope that's right. So this is a secret to a bomb brow day every day. If you're looking at it, the pencil has the ultra fine triangle tip. Oops, wrong side. So this is what the pencil looks like, and it's in the triangle tip. And if I know it's kind of dirty because I was actually using it before doing this, so I'm also wearing it as well, just to make it shorten. So here in the other, oh shit, this other edge, which is kind of like a little brush, is to create like a hair strokes and just fluff to make the eyebrows perfection, which I'm not good on that, but I give it a try. But this is what it looks like, and it is in a medium brown as well. Now if you guys are interested in purchasing this, the full size value of it is $18. That's it for this small $12 sample, and so far I am really loving the products from in here. So if you guys received it, then let me know if you guys loved it as well. So we're gonna go ahead and move along with the second bag, which is the $25 one, which is this one right here. So I'm going to be showing you guys all the products that I've received for the Glambags Plus. Now you're probably going to be seeing like some flashbacks back and forth on some of these things to show you guys how to use it, just because I really didn't get a whole lot of things. Basically the majority of the ones that I have is more like a skincare products and smaller things that I don't think is worth of me actually doing like a full video of the try-ons. But I'm actually going to be showing you guys some smaller clips, so that way you guys can see how it turned out. So the first thing that I'm going to be showing you guys is going to be the Gensa Color and Face Silk Bronzing Base. This is what the box looks like. So this is also a vegan free, and just in case you guys didn't know, the creator of this is also Jennifer Jen. You guys know I love all the products of her, especially like the moisture Prelici Blue Lotus, which is a daily moisturizer. I love her skincare products, and also if this is something that is actually from hers, I'm hoping that this is something that I'm going to like as well. Okay, so this is how it looks once you pull it out of the box. So it is a Sunlit Glow A Super Black Essence, and then on the back it does say Sunlight Glow Silk Bronzing Base. And this lightweight silk cream bronzer leaves skin with a natural, healthy, and sun skin tan, powered by A Super Black Essence. So it does come along with the brush as well, and this is what the brush looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. And it's got this nice soft texture, whatever. So it is super soft, and I love how smooth it is. So it does say Jensen Silk Bronzer as well. So this is what the bronzing brush looked like. It's really nice and soft, and this is the Silk Bronzing Base. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. So it does got this protective cover in it. So all you have to do is remove it, and this is what it looks like from inside. It is a cream base. Now the next thing that I have here is the Maraud Environmental Shield Essential C Day Moisturizer Broad Spectrum in SPF 30. And this is supposed to help you brighten out and help shield the skin from environmental aggressors. This is what the bottle looks like from up close. And this is an antioxidant-rich SPF moisturizer with vitamin C and potent antioxidant. Ginkgo biloba leaf extract helps shield the skin from environmental aggressors. And going in with the I have the Star Skin Foaming Peeling Puff. Now this is actually peeling, and then this one right here is firming raffermicent. I guess that's how you say it, but this is what the looks like. And then here is the other one. Now, this fourth item that I have here is the Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream, which is the 5 ounces right here. And as you guys notice, I did get one in a smaller size from the Glambags. So here's like a second one. So now I have 2 eye creams to try on. Now for the last item, here I have the Ofra lip gloss and truffle. This is in truffle shade, so I'm going to go ahead and do a quick color swatch of this. And also I actually went ahead and picked this color on my own. Let me get more, because this is a lip gloss. And there it is. This is like creamy gloss. Let me go ahead and add some on top of my lips. You can't hardly see. Okay, you cannot see it, but anyways. So this is lip gloss. I actually went ahead and picked it on my own. And this is from Ofra, once again. Now I would probably just leave all the information down in the description box for you guys to check it out if you guys would like to get it. Now moving on to the TRYONS, I'm going to go ahead and start off with the Maraud Environmental Shield, which is this moisturizing cream. Going to literally place this on my face and neck. Alright, since I have 2 for the daily cream, I'm going to go in with the sample one, which is a Purify 2020 eye cream. And this I'm just going to go ahead and grab, and then I'll use this some other time. Go ahead and add like a little dots underneath the eye. Now I'm going in with this Pore Facial Primer. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this one as well. And we're going to apply this on the face. And just blend it with your fingers. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and finish up with the rest of my foundation, and then I'll be right back with you guys. My foundation up, I'm going to go ahead and start using these brow pencil that I received. So I honestly don't know how to use this and don't know if the color is actually going to match mine, but this is in a medium brown. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with this pencil, which is really sharp. I don't know if you guys can see. So I'm going to go ahead and try to do my best with this. I don't know if I'm actually doing it wrong or right. I'm just going to try. So if you guys noted, the shade is really light. And I don't know how well it's going to look, but we're going to see. As you guys notice, I really don't have a lot of eyebrows, so that is why I always have to use a pencil to shade in the little empty gaps, if you guys notice. The reason I'm going up like this is because I just tracing like little lines to kind of create a little small hair. Is that how you say it? Like little fake hairs. So basically this side right here, it's like a little brush. I guess you're supposed to like smush this out. Alright, so I went ahead and did this left side. I don't even know if they're actually even, you guys, because my eyebrows are so ugly. And you guys already know how messed up they are. But look, this is from up close. This is how they look so far. I don't know what you guys think about it, but this is how my eyebrows are right now. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and use the Silk Bronzing Base, which I have never used in a cream. So here I have the brush, and I'm going to go ahead and I guess, I don't know how you grab this. So I guess you just rub it like this. And then we're gonna go ahead and start off right here. Depending on how far you want this to, Alright, so I thought it was gonna be like really dark, but it's not. So I'm just going to slightly pat this. And look at how it's looking so far. It's pretty. And then I'm still going to add a little bit more bronzing on top, but before I do that, I want you guys to look at it first. Then with whatever is left, I didn't grab any more. We're just going to be adding some on top as well. Just so that way we use all the product. And that's how it looks. Okay, so I actually went ahead and did my eyeshadow separately just because I didn't want this video to be long. But as you guys can see, now that I have my eyeshadow done, I'm going to go ahead and use the lipstick that I got from the bag, which is the Maraud Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips. And it's kind of like a nude color, I believe so. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. Alright you guys, so this is how the bronzer looks like, and the eyebrows from the pencil that I've used, and the lipstick that I used as well. So basically that is it. And now I went ahead and used the Tarte Big Ego mascara, which is this one right here. So I actually went ahead and used it, and as you guys notice, I'm not wearing any falsies right now, just because I don't have them with me right now. I don't know where I left them, but as you guys notice, this is what I use as a mascara. And I am actually going to go ahead and put my lashes, because since this look is kind of like dramatic, I will say, more of like a going out makeup. I don't know, I just wanted to do this for today since it's actually Friday. But other than that, I am going to apply my falsies, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it like this for right now. I will apply them later on, and that's just going to give it an extra volume to the eyes, especially with the eyeshadow that I'm wearing right now. Alright you guys, so we have finally come up to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Ipsy bagging for this month of September. I really enjoyed the products that I've received, but like I said, I really enjoyed this one more than I did this, to be honest, you know, to be on the fair side. But I mean, I'm not complaining about it. I really love the products, everything that I received. And now I didn't have all of the information about the products value of it, but I will leave it down in the box for you guys to check it out. And also, if you would like to become a member, I will also be leaving a link down below for you guys to subscribe and submit a quiz to see your preferences for these for your makeup, if you guys would like to try it. So once again, you guys, if you enjoyed this month of September, make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoy. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the red button down below, and also turn the notification bell on, so that way you guys don't miss none of my videos. So if you guys would like to see what I'll be receiving for next month for October, make sure that you guys are staying tuned and having that bell on, so that way you guys don't miss it. So once again, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be happy to see you guys for the next video. Bye guys.
Perfect.